Customizing fonts on Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to customize your fonts on Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just go to site design right here, and then from here, what you want to do is go to text theme right here to change your fonts. And then after that, from here, you can now start changing your heading font and your paragraph font. So when I click on heading font right here, I'll just change my heading font into Oswald Medium. And then I'll change the paragraph font into Oswald Extra Light. And then as you can see over here in our website that our font has changed. But let's say if you want to change a specific part or specific font in your website, what you want to do is to just click on the text that you want to change the font of, double click on it, and then there will be a text setting window that will pop up. So in here, you can now start changing the font of your text. So for example, I'll change it to this one right here, Playfair Display, and then there you go. So there you go. The font of our text has now been changed without affecting the other ones. And then once you're done, make sure to click on save to save your changes, and then there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to customize your font on Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.